Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
While it may not be possible all the times, you can up your intake of whole grains like brown rice, millet, amaranth, and quinoa. Beans and legumes are also important. Clean sugars include honey, maple syrup, and dehydrated sugarcane juice. 29 December 2016.
Make your mark, take our lead.
So, peanut butter, barring nut allergies, has a place in any healthy diet, and in my heart. The most important part to indulging in peanut butter is finding a clean brand which doesn't come with a slew of chemicals, preservatives, or partially hydrogenated oils. 13 June 2012.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Here are the 7 healthiest breads you can choose. Sprouted whole grain. Sprouted bread is made from whole grains that have started to sprout from exposure to heat and moisture. Sourdough. 100% whole wheat. Oat bread. Flax bread. 100% sprouted rye bread. Healthy gluten-free bread. The 9th of May 2019.
Take our lead.
Not only is bacon considered a red meat, it's also a member of the dreaded processed meat group. Even turkey bacon falls into this category. And no amount of processed meat is considered safe to eat, according to the American Institute for Cancer Research.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Elizabeth Healthcare Nutritionist to discuss the 6 types of eating patterns, and how to make the best of them. Emotional eater. This person tends to eat when they're happy, others when they're sad or stressed. Unconscious eater. Habitual eater. Critical eaters. Sensual eater. Energy eater. The 1st of March 2017.
Take our lead.
Thanks to the specialized production process, canned tuna is totally safe to eat, in moderation, that is. Canned tuna is a great protein source that is great to keep on hand, says Maneker, and I am always a fan of people incorporating seafood into their diets safely for a number of health reasons. The 19th of June 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.